I'm a green fan. This deep green is just really lovely. It's a thicker Nubby wool. It definitely has some itch factor if you like itchy wool. This is definitely on the itchier side. I know some people hate that. I love itchy wool sweaters. This is a Nubby. You can see the little nubs. Lots of little nubs. It's a thicker weave. It feels like it may have had some kind of backing applied to it. I don't know. It just has a weird feel in the back. Like might have some, I don't know. I can't describe it, but it feels like there could have been some sort of backing on it at some point, or some kind of like finish, I guess you could say is a better word. This is a nice big piece. You will definitely get a lot of stuff out of this, and it's an actual nice rectangle. Oh, I see one little notch down here, which is probably somebody's probably cut a little swatch out for a sample. I like this. I know people are weird about green, but this dark green is awesome. It looks good with pink. It has like a deep dark sage, like a deep dark sage with some lighter specks in there. Like I said, I'm sorry, my light is fizzling fast. The lighter areas would probably be what you're looking at. The darker ones are shadows. It's just hard to get it right in the light, but it is a really, really, really cool green. Heavy, sturdy, great for pillows. It will be great for pillows and dining chair seats for sure. You may be able to upholster a small chair, possibly get a couple cushions out of it for like a Danish lounge chair. This color would look great with walnut for sure. And I like this green. I think it's kind of a neutral green that you can intermingle, and it doesn't look too dated. You can definitely young it up to modern times with some pink, and you know, it looks good with blues. I love green. I admit it. So anyway, this big piece is available. I'm going to measure it and have that up.